and so on. Each number in this series equals the sum of the two previous numbers. 3 plus 5 equals 8, 5 plus 8 equals 13, and so on. These numbers, growing to infinity, are known as the Fibonacci series. This may appear to be of little consequence, but these numbers would become the key to unlocking more mysteries than a plague of bunnies. For instance, in the field of botany, the structure of flowers is based on Fibonacci numbers. Lilies have a radial symmetry based on 3. Violets have 5 petals. Sunflowers have petals totaling 33, 55, or 89. This phenomenon, not explained until 1993, appears to go beyond genetics to the natural dynamics of growth. Whether it is the spiral of consecutive seeds in a sunflower, the spiraling growth of a chambered nautilus, or the branching structure of bronchi in the lungs, organic growth is often guided by a mathematical ratio stemming from the Fibonacci series. The most striking example may be the Parthenon, with most of its proportions based on golden rectangles. The Greeks were not the first to use the visual balance of phi in their architecture. 5,000 years ago, the Egyptians based the design of the Great Pyramid of Cheops on golden proportions. This measurement may not have been intentional, but it reinforces the belief that phi holds some universal aesthetic appeal. For centuries,
the aspect ratio of DNA spiral and the special design of the universe, which is named as dodecahedron, and the leaf array rules of plants, which is named as phyllotaxy, and the snowflakes crystals, in the spiral structure of numerous galaxies. The creator has used the same number, the number of golden mean, 1.618. It is observed that this ratio is applied to the pyramids of Egypt, like it was applied to various famous architectural works. Famous astronomer Kepler defines this number as a precious treasury. Expert Dr. Stephen Markout was proved as a result of his 25-year-long study that human faces and bodies designed pursuant to this ratio are accepted as beautiful by every single person in the world. If the aspect ratio of any form is 1.618, then this form is convenient to golden mean. Perfect design. Where is the golden mean point of the Earth? The proportion of distance between Mecca and the North Pole to the distance between Mecca and the South Pole is exactly 1.618. The golden mean.